afternoon. It is Wednesday, September the 22nd, 2021. Notice has been given of emergency meeting of Commissioners Court of Grimes County, Texas. We are at the Grimes County Annex Building located at 114 West Buffington Avenue in Anderson, Texas. Agenda item number 1, call the meeting to order. That has been done. And I want to say, Commissioners, thank you for short notice. I know we talked, kind of be prepared on Monday. This may occur. I want to just put some facts before you for our agenda item number 2, which says discuss and take possible action to approve countywide bird ban effective immediately. The reason we didn't initiate one on Monday or have much conversation is because the front coming through yesterday was supposed to give us some relief from drought conditions. And although a few spots in the county did get a little bit of rain, overall, most of the county got no rain or little, if any. I have received a special weather statement that says elevated risk for fire weather today, being Wednesday. Sustained northerly winds of 15 miles per hour and higher gusts coupled with relative humidity levels below 25% will create dangerous fire weather conditions today. Conditions have been dry of late. They've given College Station had 0.27 inches of rain. Huntsville only recording 0.44 since August 19. So some of our surrounding counties have placed burn bans, and I felt it was necessary not to follow suit, but to, based on the conditions that we're experiencing here in Grimes County, I wanted to open it up for discussion to see if indeed this was the right thing to do. I do have our emergency management services coordinator, Mr. Lilly. Do you have any comments in regards to our weather conditions?
No, just to concur with what you said, Judge. It's the fire conditions have gotten dramatically worse in a very short period of time, and it's likely to remain this way for several days, if not a week or more. So I do concur with what you've said about that, as far as the level of risk has definitely gone significantly much higher than it was even just 24 hours ago. So
if you look at the 10-day forecast, and I wouldn't bet money on it, but the 10-day forecast from the Weather Service indicates the first opportunity for rain will be next Tuesday, the 28th. Now, granted, it'll probably rain 6 inches tomorrow, but what they're forecasting is the first chance of rain is going to hit us about next Tuesday, the 28th. So with that, I'll open it up for comments from the commissioners.
It's definitely dry out there.
Okay.
And we've got a lot of grass everywhere too, so.
With that, I'm going to make the motion that we impose a burn ban countywide for Grimes County until further notice. I'll make that motion. Do we have a second?
I'll second it.
Further discussion? The discussion that I would present out there is that we would keep it till further notice, and we would try to remove it at the first safe potential opportunity that we have. So there's a motion before the court on agenda item number 2, discuss and take action, possible action to approve a countywide burn ban effective immediately by County Judge Joe Faust, second by Commissioner David Dobianski. Is there any further discussion? Hearing none, all in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed? That motion carries. So Mr. Lilly, I'll put you on notice to get the burn ban signs flopped down. I will contact Mr. Peeler to raise the burn ban flag at the annex, and we'll get word out to all of our, can you send a quick email to our volunteer fire departments, the chiefs?
actually, they usually send out a notice over the dispatch.
So Chief, you'll take care of that? All right. So any other bases we need to cover for notification? I did send a notice to the Examiner and to 1550 about our emergency meeting. I'll let them know that we have approved the burn ban so they can broadcast and get that information out also.
And I will also let KBTX know.
Okay. Sheree, if you'll get it put on the county website. With that, we'll go to agenda item number 3. Is there a motion to adjourn?
Second.
There's a motion before the court on agenda item number 3 by Commissioner Barbara Walker, seconded by Commissioner David Dobianski. Any discussion? All in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed? Motion carries. Commissioners, again, thank you for showing up on short notice. Appreciate it.